Over on this side, we have some grits. This place is owned by the Amish. Do a little bit of home fries. I'll go with a little bit of bacon. This looks extra crispy, and I'm all about that life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Chris, and today we are headed to Lancaster County, the Amish buffet capital of the world, to check out a pretty delicious breakfast buffet. We've already brought you guys here for supper. This week we are here for breakfast, and I really only have one goal in mind, and that is to try everything on their breakfast buffet. Do you think I can do it? I hope so. I'm pretty hungry. We're gonna give it a good go. We're gonna give it a good effort. We know one thing about Dienners: they are 100% quality over quantity. Not the absolute biggest buffet that you've seen on this channel before, but pretty much the most delicious buffet. So that sounds interesting to you, then I hope you guys stick along for this week's adventure. We have some miles to cover. Let's get driving and get there, and I will tell you guys a little bit more about this place. Alright, well, we are in. Fun fact, if you're not here for the breakfast buffet, or you have people in your parties that aren't a huge fan of the buffet, they do have a menu to look off of. So let's take a look at their menu, and then we're going to head up there and check out the buffet. First thing I see right out of the gate, we are definitely in Amish country. Let us give thanks. Very religious around here. We have the breakfast menus. We have an adult breakfast buffet, $12.95. Here are the beverages, our coffees, some orange juice, apple, cranberry, tomato. One important thing, no free refills. Some chocolate milk, hot chocolate, sodas, teas. And then we get into the good stuff. We have our egg platters. 1 egg with toast, $4.95. 2 eggs with toast, $6.25. 2 eggs, home fries, toast, and choice of meat, $10.35. We have some egg sandwiches here. Egg sandwich with cheese, $7.35. Egg sandwich, cheese and meat, $8.75. And choice of bacon or scrapple. On this side, we have the omelets, the cheese omelet, bacon omelet, ham omelet with cheese. We have the veggie omelets, with sausage and chip beef gravy, gravy over home fries, toast and biscuit, $9.60, pancakes and French toast. And then we have the a la carte option also, baked oatmeals, cinnamon buns, grits. We have grits, side of brisket meats, fruit cups, and then you have your choice of 1 egg, 2 eggs, and yogurts. So let me know down in the comments, are you picking off of the menu, or are you here for the buffet? We are definitely here for the breakfast buffet this morning, so let's head up there and see what they have. Biscuits, buttermilk biscuits and toast. Eggs, scrambled eggs, home fries, we have chip beef gravy, pancakes and some sausage gravy, bacon, sausage links, some pan pudding, smoked sausage, scrapple, fried mush, some cheese sauce, some syrup, mushrooms, peppers and onions. We have some cooked oatmeal, some baked oatmeal.
Over on this side, we have some grits. Have some more syrup. Some stewed tomatoes. Some turkey scrapple. That's new. I never had turkey scrapple. Some French toast. Some bacon. Some sausage gravy. Let me pick back up on our scrambled eggs and home fries. Look, I think that's some pretty good, solid options for breakfast. Still have the desserts. I'm going to show you guys the desserts, but I think we're ready for round number 1. Let me know down in the comments what you would get. We're going to go with some scrambled eggs here. Do a little bit of home fries. I'm gonna get some cream chip beef on my home fries. Definitely have to try the scrapple. Never had pan pudding. I'm not really sure what it is. I'm gonna give it a try. Sticking with the scrapple theme, I've never had turkey scrapple. So we're gonna give that a try too. And I'm gonna go with a little bit of bacon. This looks extra crispy, and I'm all about that life. All right, well, there we go. There's our round number 1. I just realized that my camera was not recording, so that is a super, super bummer. But what you missed was what Maury went with. Maury's already done with her plate, unfortunately, but she got a donut, some French toast, a pancake, right? Regular toast, and some eggs. And luckily I caught mine before I finished, but we went with some eggs, the hash browns with the cream chip beef, fried mush, bacon, regular scrapple, and we went with the turkey scrapple. The turkey scrapple I've already had. I never had that before, but it was absolutely delicious. It kind of tastes like regular scrapple with just like a little hint of turkey, but pretty good. One other fun fact to note, if you're planning on coming here, you may want to skip the month of January. I'm not sure if they close every year the entire month of January, but I know they were closed this year. So I'm going to get this down, and then I'm going to take you guys back up and get round number 2. And don't go anywhere because we still have to check out the desserts. Try out biscuit here. Give a sausage a try. I'll do a little bit more this fried mush. That was really good. Try one of these. We're gonna try grits. We're gonna go with a little bit of grits. You guys are giving me some pointers on how to eat them, so we're gonna try it. A piece of French toast. Just a little bit of syrup on that. And we'll get some biscuit gravy, sausage gravy for the biscuit. All right, here we go with round number 2. We went with some French toast. I think this is cornbread. I'm not 100% sure. Some sausage, biscuit with sausage gravy, a little more fried mush. We went with some baked oatmeal, and we're trying the grits. We are going back in on the grits. A lot of you guys have told me the best way to eat grits is throw them in the trash, which I may actually agree with you. But you've also given me some pointers, and a lot have recommended just plain old salt and pepper on grits, which I honestly haven't tried. I've always tried to mix it with something else. So that's that. Let's dig in here and see what this tastes like. I've tried just about everything on their menu today. Quality over quantity, not the biggest buffet, but if you're looking for very, very good home-cooked food, Dienners is where it's at. And as you can see, you don't have the massive line in here like you get at Shady Maple. I will say though, during the summer months, it gets a little crazy in here. We actually did another video here with dinner, and I think we had to wait an hour. How long did we have to wait? An hour, hour and a half? It was a pretty long wait, but the food's delicious. It makes a lot of sense. You're good.
We're getting ready to close it down.
Yeah,
Want
we're
anything
fine.
else? Did you see the donuts and the yogurt?
Yeah, I'll get
and all
dessert.
that?
I'll get dessert, yeah.
Okay, if you don't mind maybe heading up in the next minute or two, because
Okay.
we're about ready to take it down and start
Okay.
ready for lunch.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Question for you. You guys are usually closed through the month of January? Or
Yes, we are.
The entire month?
Yes, we
Okay.
closed, well, we were open New Year's Eve, and then we opened up just last Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
So
Very
yeah,
cool.
they do that every year.
Yeah,
Because
awesome.
it's not very busy, and it gives them time to do more of a deep clean and all that
Right.
kind of stuff. So,
Awesome.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It
yeah.
is definitely time to try these grits. I've also heard cheese. I've tried cheese before, and cheese is an acceptable go-to with it. But I've never tried the salt and pepper. That's honestly, no lie, the best way that I've had grits with salt and pepper. You want to try it? Have you had it with salt and pepper? No? I think that may be my key to eating grits. That's not bad. That's really not bad. Thank you for that. You saved my grit experience today.
Did you need some more coffee right now?
Yeah, we'll take a top up. Thank you.
Uh-huh. You're okay?
All right, well, I'm gonna finish this plate. Then we're gonna head back up there and show you guys desserts. The desserts here are absolutely delicious, but I will tell you, the selection is not that big because I kind of messed up. I got up a little too late, and we hit some pretty rough traffic getting here. So we kind of got here like just as they were finishing up breakfast, and I've already been warned that a lot of their stuff is kind of, they're in a switchover mode. We have some sticky buns here. Shoe fly pie that's running a little low. And we have our donuts. It looks like we have like a sticky bun, some donuts, and some puff pastries over there. Definitely gonna take the sticky bun. Still have some of the shoe fly pie. Gonna grab that. And we'll take a mini blueberry donut. All right, there we go. There are the desserts. I told you guys that during the switchover, so be generous. This place actually packs a lot of awesome, delicious desserts in here. And I did find out the pies aren't part of their breakfast buffet, so I'm not gonna show you those. If you wanna see their pies, click this right up here and you can check out their dinner buffet where they have such an awesome selection of their desserts. But what we went with today is pretty simple, but I think it's gonna do the trick. Got a nice sticky bun with nuts, a little blueberry donut, and some shoe fly cake. I'm pretty excited about the shoe fly. I absolutely love shoe fly pie. Absolutely delicious.
Is that it your way?
Thank you very much. That is so good. That is really good. It worked out perfect for me because I usually like the ends that are a little more crunchy. And oh, that is so good. sticky bun is insane. Did you have one? You want to try it?
A little.
It is so good.
Yeah.
It's good, right? That is so good. I think, honestly, that may be my favorite thing so far today. And usually, it's the shoe fly pie.
Should fly, don't bother me.
What?
Should fly, don't bother me. Why? Should fly, don't bother me.
Why? She belongs to somebody. We've been through this. She belongs to somebody. You know I love blueberries. Best blueberry donut I've ever had. That's no lie. Best blueberry donut I ever had. It is just loaded with blueberry deliciousness. I think it's gonna bring us down to what we think about Dienners breakfast buffet. What do you think, honey? What would you give it?
That's good.
Yeah? Care to elaborate a little more? Like 1 to 10, shady maple, where do you compare it to the others?
I like shady. I mean, I like this place, but I like the shady maple because I have a lot.
I would agree with you. I think for what they have and the food that they have here, the quality is better than shady maple. But I would have to give the breakfast buffet win to Shady Maple for the simple fact that they have a lot more options. Plus they have omelet stations, they have your carving stations still, a lot more desserts, just overall a lot more options. And I don't think their breakfast buffet is too terribly more than what the breakfast buffet is here. But all in all, if you're in Lancaster County and you want to check out some good, authentic, like Amish, Pennsylvania Dutch cooking, make sure you check out Dienners. You can't go wrong with Dienners. Let us know down in the comments where you would rank Dienners. Do you think Dienners breakfast buffet is better than Shady Maple? Which one of the breakfast buffets in Lancaster County is your favorite? But I think it's gonna wrap it up for this week's adventure. If you like this video, make sure you give it 2 big thumbs up. YouTube thinks you'll like this video, maybe that video. But until next Thursday, stay safe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.